There you go, Steve. I'm gonna make you a video. Let's see, got the SPL lab. This one compared to the term lab is about 0.1 off. I got 2 dots on the window. This one is UZAC. This one is Midwest SPL, which is 12 inches across, 4 inches up from the dash. So I'm gonna show you quick what I have. One CT3K, just one battery in the back, so nothing else. This is not a burp box at all. It's a 8-inch arrow port. Let's see if I can get in there. Full length. It's about 21 inches long. 2 15s. Yeah, nothing special. Looks like crap. I ain't trying to make it pretty, but let's see. See what this does, all sealed up on music. Sorry for the camera shaking. So all the windows up, everything closed up. Let's see what this does on music.
Shirt line, swag on point like
seal on the dash, music, and I'm gonna do a quick burp. Alright, so I did a 50.5.05 on music, basically a 50. So let's burp it out and see what it actually does on a burp. I'm gonna do it how I do it for Midwest SPL. Fucking glove box broke again. Sealed up on the dash, and see what she does on a burp. So basically a 50.7 45 hertz burp. That was at about, roughly it averages between 1876 to almost 2K depending on the day, but fucking glove box. Yeah, musical box, not a burp box, and basically under 2K.